Hi, I'm Daniel Hinton, Partnership Manager here at Densitron, and I'm here today with Richard Williams, who is the UK and Ireland Sales Director for Lumens. We've been working with Lumens for about 12 months now, looking at their full portfolio and how a control system can really enhance their offering and what they bring to the audiovisual market. So we've been working with Richard, we've looked at different control layouts and how we can use the best parts of their products and portfolios in a control system that suits many different markets. Richard, can you just go through what Lumens products we have here today so we can then explain what we're doing with the control system?
Okay, well thanks very much Dan for the intro. As you know, we've got a wide range of products ourselves, going from cameras, mainly in PTZ domain, OIP series encoders, decoders, and also our media processors. So this today is a really good opportunity to bring all those things together, but really tie it together with the Densitron product control system.
We've really looked at the feature set that Lumens has and how we can enhance that. So for instance, one of the big killer features I feel like with your platform is the preview on your extension range. I'm not sure there's many people in the market that have that. What we've done is we've taken that preview and allowing you to review it before you switch across.
In any kind of like a corporate live event production, when you're recording something, when you're streaming something, having the ability to see what's showing before you show it can be a really important thing, that you don't present some content onto the screen before you're ready to show it.
So here we have the starting page of the Lumens control system, and this will allow us to add the various cameras you have, the extension products, the media processors you have them, the AI tracking boxes, any of the products that are in the Lumens ecosystem. We can add these here. It picks up the IP addresses and allows you to custom add them into a front screen. Going into the individual cameras, it shows us a live preview, and this also allows us things like pan, tilt and zoom, switching the content, turning on and off that AI tracking, and also giving you the ability to save and reload those presets. Where we really do start doing stuff that's completely unique in the market is the ability to look at the preview screens, as I mentioned again, from the extenders. You know, being able to see that content before we switch it, we can choose the different buttons on here, see the live stream, and then press take and take that into the system. And using the OIP range, we can also do picture-in-picture, side-by-side, different scene availabilities, and being able to build that from there. 100, 200 and 300 range, we can control all of those, and that involves being able to record, start, stop, pause, being able to play around with the streaming for live streaming events as well. The whole concept is from the ground up. It needed to be simple and easy to use and really reflect the benefits you get from the Lumens systems. So that was a brief overview of what the Densitron control system, the ProDeck and the IDS all together with the Lumens platform can do. So I'm going to thank Richard Williams for joining us today and spending some time here.
Thanks very much Dan for hosting us here.
For more information on this product and the IDS control system, come and check out our website.